Before you even think about looking away, you need to understand that the digital footprint of a cheater is never truly erased. Most people think they are being clever with private tabs and hidden folders, but honestly, they're just leaving a trail of breadcrumbs that leads straight to the truth. In the next few minutes, I am going to pull back the curtain on the 3 most sophisticated remote monitoring tricks currently being used to expose secrets. These are the exact methods that make the impossible suddenly visible. If you've ever felt like something was being hidden from you, or if you want to know how the pros actually track data across encrypted networks, you cannot afford to miss a single second of this breakdown. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. We do not advise or encourage anyone to use the information provided in this video to infiltrate someone's privacy or violate any local or international laws. The content here is designed to demonstrate security vulnerabilities and digital forensics concepts for awareness and learning. Before we dive into the first method, make sure you check the pinned comment or the video description right now if you need more resources and specific help. All the details you're looking for are waiting for you down there. Now, let's get into the mechanics of the first trick: the cloud synchronization loophole. Most users believe their phone is a vault, but the reality is that the phone is constantly talking to the cloud. When a device is configured to back up data, it creates a mirror image of every message, every photo, and every location log. The trick isn't about breaking into the phone itself, it's about intercepting the handshake between the hardware and the server. By leveraging high-level recovery protocols, it is possible to view a stream of data in real time without ever touching the target device. This is how deleted messages suddenly reappear on a secondary screen. Wait, before I explain the second trick, I have a question for you. Do you believe that once a message is deleted, it is gone forever, or do you think the internet always keeps a receipt? Drop your answer in the comments right now. I want to see how many of you understand how data storage actually works. Also, if you find this breakdown helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Point Access Hacking so you never miss a technical deep dive. The second method involves what experts call virtual shadowing. This is far more advanced than simple screen sharing. This technique utilizes background API calls to create a remote instance of the messaging environment. Imagine a scenario where every notification sent to a device is simultaneously routed through a secondary packet relay. By the time the user sees the notification, the data has already been logged on a remote dashboard. This doesn't require hacking in the traditional sense. It requires a deep understanding of how applications use background refresh tokens to stay updated. When these tokens are mirrored, the shadow device sees everything the primary device sees, from live GPS movements to typed drafts that haven't even been sent yet. Think about the power of that for a second. If you're finding this information eye-opening, share this video with someone who needs to understand the reality of digital privacy. The third and final trick is the most elusive: the network packet injection. This is where the line between a standard user and a technical specialist is drawn. Most people rely on public Wi-Fi or home routers that haven't been updated in years. By using a remote monitoring relay, an entity can perform a man-in-the-middle sequence that captures unencrypted packets of data as they travel through the air. Even if an app claims to be end-to-end encrypted, the metadata, the who, the when, and the where, is often left exposed. By analyzing the frequency of pings to specific servers, a pattern of behavior can be established that is more incriminating than the messages themselves. It's about reading the digital body language of the device. You have to realize that in the world of point access hacking, there is no such thing as a secret. There is only data that hasn't been found yet. This isn't about the tools, it's about the strategy of the hunt. If you want to dive deeper into the technical side of these frameworks, remember to check that pinned comment and the description for those extra resources. Make sure your notifications are turned on, because what we cover next is going to change the way you look at your smartphone forever. Stay secure, stay informed, and I will see you in the next one.